guys, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome back for another 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. This one is number 188, sent in by Judy Basile. So thank you, Judy, for being a part of 1 in 10. Let's see what you sent along. Ooh, matchy stuff. Check this out. Look at it. It even has its own card base, and it's already got a back to it. I have a feeling that you sent such simple stuff that I'm going to be able to put this together in about 2 minutes. Not even. But let's go ahead and set a timer anyway. So, I mean, gosh, this is amazing. To a friend that makes me smile, and then we are blessed. And it's got this little heart. These are really cool. So I think that I will probably put these strips, maybe I'll cut them in half so I can use one on the outside and one on the inside. I have another idea that I could probably use to break this card up just a little bit, is putting a little white panel on there. Let's see what I have up here in my tray. Oh, I've got a bird. Maybe we'll put the bird in there. We've got some. I don't know if I want that. I want just plain white, I'm thinking. Let's see what else I have. No. Okay, I'm going to stretch this out a little bit. I'm going to get a little bit of white here. And we'll incorporate the bird too, why not? And I'm going to go ahead and cut this down some. To put in the center of the card, and then I'm going to cut these down. I thought about maybe just doing this one along with my friend Wanda, who also sent one in, and then just doing them both together in 10 minutes, but I didn't want to steal anyone's thunder, so I'm going to give them each their own. So Judy's will be today, and then next week will be Wanda's, and hers will be 189. So what I'm doing right now is just cutting these down so I can use these on the inside and the outside. And then to give it a little bit more flavor, I'm going to go ahead and give a little bit of, I couldn't spit it out because I had to sneeze. Pardon me. A little bit more, what do I call it? Dimension. Something, a little something on here. This makes such a mess, but I just love the look of it. Yep. That is cool. Let's make sure I have the opening on the bottom, and I do. And then we're going to go ahead and use both of these. See how when I cut them, now I have a strip wide enough to do both sides? That's what I was looking for. We've got 2 different patterns on each side, so I better make sure I'm using the right ones. The ones that I wanted to. So we're going to put in some polka dots. And then some little words. Put those up together. People have been begging me not to drop this series, you guys, and I said I would go to 200. And sometimes I just forget how much fun this is. So I don't know. We're still planning on that. We'll see what happens. This bird is, I think this bird will look really cute here. And I want to put this one on the inside, to a friend that makes me smile. Actually, you know what? To a friend that makes me smile. Kind of hoping I could get, I don't want to cut it like the last one, so maybe I want to do this. Ooh, we can add in some pink, and then on the inside put "We are blessed." That's going to be popped up on the inside. I think it'll look okay. We are blessed. Let's go ahead and put this over. I feel like something should go like right here because it's so down so far on this side. Like almost this should go kitty wampus here. And then have the bird go on there. I don't know. Maybe I don't want the bird on there. Let's see if we can change this. I really like this. That is so pretty. Let's see what else I have. Sometimes I just have stuff sitting around from like last cards and things. Let's see what else I have in here. Mostly just leaves. Nothing too fabulous. I got an elephant. I've got oh, we could put the cute little elephant on there, why not? And I could still have my heart here. I'm gonna do it just cause I can. I hope Judy likes elephants. To a friend that makes me smile. That's gonna be really hard to roll. Let's just glue it. Oh, he's so cute. I'm glad he got a little home. And then I almost want to save this for like a more of a brown card. I should have got some brown card for the outside. I think that would have looked really cute. We are blessed. Judy, I'm wondering if you wouldn't mind getting that one and then getting a... Let's see. Do I have brown paper handy? Nope, not like that. I don't really have brown paper handy. Yes, I do. Okay. That's gonna look cool under there. I'm just gonna add some of this. Uh-oh. Why is my elephant coming off? What's up with that glue? Maybe I don't want to use that glue anymore. Maybe I don't. Okay, that looks good. I like the brown. Let's go ahead and put another piece on the bottom. That just adds so much to it. So we need one on the top and one on the bottom. I put it upside down, but you know what? I'm not going to change it at this point. I'm just going to leave it. Oh, that looks so much better. You know what? I'm going to save this. I hope you don't mind. I'm going to save this and do a different card with brown. And I'm going to save the pieces that I have left. Actually, I said that I was going to put these on the inside, so I better do. so the whole card matches. There we go. So then we've got the little papers running inside the card too to pull it all together. So I'm gonna just cut it off. We only have a few seconds left. I like this one. It's simple and it's cute. And I hope that you like the elephant. I'll stamp my information on the back and send that to you, Judy. And I'm going to save this stuff. I'm going to put the bird away because I ended up just not liking the way it looked with that. I'm going to go ahead and use this. I'm going to make myself a little note. I'm going to do another card, but I'm going to incorporate some browns with this. And I'm going to put your name on it. Judy B. Second card with brown. And then I'm going to put this to the side and look for that. And I maybe just go ahead and do that live at some point, but I probably won't do it as another separate card as a 1 in 10. So until then, I'm going to go ahead and save this for you so that I can send it out. Thank you so much, Judy. This was super cute and really fun. It inspired me in 2 different directions, so good for you. It was a challenge, and I think it turned out super cute, and I can't wait to put that other stuff in another card and incorporate some more brown. And I'm thinking it'll probably be kind of masculine, but I digress. So let's get back to this. If you enjoy this, give it a thumbs up. We're going to be running this series until we hit 200. Can't remember if I said that in the beginning of the video, but if not, now you know. And then I'm going to be switching over to a little bit more of a mixed media one, and I will let you guys know in the calendar and in upcoming videos when that's going to happen and what it's going to be called. And until then, I cannot wait to see you guys next video.